DALN stock analysis tomorrow and onward. So in this 1 minute video, I'm telling you whether Dallasnews stock is a buy or not for me. So watch the short 1 minute video till the end to find out. Sitting at 624. It is actually pretty interesting to see because like if I zoom out, it doesn't look like the worst thing ever. It's definitely putting in some numbers. I have done 33,000 videos over the last 4 years and as a result gotten thousands of predictions. Now specifically with the DALN, yeah, that's how my previous video looked like. So you better know, like you can see that I'm looking to take it up, but what I'm not going to do is I'm not going to like randomly start placing buys. Purely because why would I, right? Like there is like abundance of opportunities in the market and I want to see my rules met because I've collected a lot of data to see what has worked for me, what has not. So with DALN, if the price pulls down and then gives me a double break, then is when you know that at that time I'm actually getting involved. Like anything else is just noise for me personally. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple only way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. See ya.